Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock the full brightness on your Key Light Neo from ELGATO. So in order to unlock the full brightness on this device, first I'm gonna explain why you have a 40 or 70% limit. So a 40% limit is if you have your light connected to a computer with USB-A cable. So the cable included in the box is USB-C to USB-A. That means that it can only input about 40% of the max power of this light. If you want more, then you can either connect it to your computer with a USB-C to USB-C cable. If your computer outputs enough power through that port, it can charge your computer up to it can power your light up to 70%, and if you want to unlock 100%, which is 1000 lumens, you will need to connect it to external power source. So instead of connecting it to your computer with a cable, you need to connect it with a cable to a power brick. And as I do it right now, I have my power brick, which is like 45 watts, but it doesn't really have to be 35. 35. It doesn't need to be 35. It needs to be, I think, at least 15 watts. So yeah, if you have a 15 watt charger, then it should be good enough. And now once I connect it, I need to wait a moment. And then it will either turn itself on automatically or not. If it doesn't, then just click on the power button. Now you can see you can adjust the brightness. But sometimes like the light goes off for some kind of reason. I don't really know why. Maybe there is something like with my cable or with the light itself. I don't really know. Maybe there's like something going on. It shouldn't turn off itself, by the way. Here you have like these two presets, you know, and yeah, you can just use the full potential of this light. And I hope you found this video helpful. By the way, if you still want to connect it to a computer or phone or like Mac, whatever, you can connect it via Wi-Fi, because the control center allows you to do that. So you can just go to ELGATO Control Center and simply connect it through Wi-Fi if you still want to just operate with it through Wi-Fi. But yeah, the external cable just lets it have the full potential of light. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.